Hi, Christina here. Let's see what today's question is. There are different tapes you can actually use for a skin-based system. It just depends on what skin base you're using and what tape you decide to use with it. For our thinner skin bases, I would recommend maybe the 1522 or the Super Red, just because it'll be a lot more easier to peel off the system and not cause wear and tear. The only thing with that is the longevity of it being on a client's scalp. It might not be as long. So if someone wants something of a stronger hold, we could use a stronger tape, say Ultra Hold. I would wait for it to break down before actually performing a maintenance service on it. That way the adhesive has broken down and the cleaning process is a lot easier and the peel off of the tape is a lot easier. So for our thicker skin-based systems, we can literally use any tape adhesive. It just depends on the client and how long they actually want to wear the hairpiece for, longevity-wise. I can recommend the lace front, the blue liner, where that can last like 1 week, 2 weeks at most. The Ultra Hold, where it could last 3-4 weeks, or even the Geo. As long as it breaks down, it'll be a lot easier to remove the tape adhesive and to clean off the system. Well, that's it for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos. Bye.